Deuteronomy chapter 13. And if there should rise up among you a prophet, or one dreaming dreams, and he should give to you a sign or miracle, and it should come to pass, the sign or the miracle which he spoke to you, saying, We should go and serve other gods, who we know not. You shall not hearken to the words of that prophet, or the one dreaming that dream. For the Lord your God tests you, to know if you love the Lord your God from out of your entire heart and from out of your entire soul. You shall go after the Lord your God, and him you shall fear, and his commandments you shall keep, and his voice you shall hearken to, and to him you shall serve, and to him you shall be added to. And that prophet, or that one dreaming the dream, shall die. For he spoke to cause you to wander from the Lord your God, the one leading you from out of the land of Egypt, ransoming you from out of slavery, to push you from out of the way of which the Lord your God gave charge to you to go by it, and you shall remove their wicked thing from you. But if your brother from out of your father should enjoin you, or from out of your mother, or of your son, or of your daughter, or of your wife, or one in your bosom, or your equal friend to your soul, in private, saying, We should go and serve other gods, which you nor your fathers knew not, of the gods of the nations surrounding you, of the ones near to you, or of the ones far from you, from the uttermost part of the earth unto the uttermost part of the earth. You shall not acquiesce to him, and you shall not hearken to him, and you shall not spare your eye upon him, and you shall not show mercy upon him, nor shall you shelter him. By announcing you shall announce concerning him, and your hand shall be upon him as first to kill him, and the hand of all the people upon him last. And they shall throw stones at him with stones, and he shall die. For he sought to abstain you from the Lord your God, the one leading you from out of the land of Egypt, from out of the house of slavery. And all Israel hearing shall fear, and shall not add to do again according to this wicked matter among you. And if it should be heard in one of your cities, which the Lord your God gives to you for you to dwell there, saying, Men, lawbreakers, came forth from out of you, and left all the ones dwelling in their city, saying, We should go and serve other gods, which knew not. Then you shall examine, and shall ask, and shall search exceedingly. And behold, if the word be clearly true, that this abomination has taken place among you, then by doing away with, you shall do away with all the ones dwelling in that city, by carnage of the sword. Under anathema you shall devote it to consumption, and all the things in it, and all its cattle by the mouth of the sword. And all its spoils you shall bring together into its corridors, and shall burn the city by fire, and all its spoils in full assembly before the Lord your God. And it shall be uninhabited into the aeon. It shall not be rebuilt again, and you shall not cleave to anything of that being offered up for consumption in your hand, so that the Lord should be turned away from the rage of his anger, and should grant to you mercy, and should show mercy on you, and should multiply you, in which manner the Lord swore by an oath to your fathers, if you should hearken to the voice of the Lord your God, to guard all his commandments which I give charge to you today, to do the good and the pleasing thing before the Lord your God.